Jeazie Tv, y'all. I am JuJu, and today I am unboxing my very first iPhone. Yes, I have been with Android forever simply because I don't know how to work iPhone. I still don't. But I decided to move over to iPhone because the video quality is better, picture quality is better, and they have iMovie, so I can edit all of my videos right on my phone. Okay. I do have a camera as well, but that's dead. So I'm recording on my Android right now. This will be my last video on this phone. Anywho, let's get to the point. Here's my box. I already started opening. I ain't opened it all the way yet, but here it is. I have the iPhone 13, just the 13. I know they have the mini, the Pro Max. My husband and Jada, they both have the Pro Max, but I got the smaller one because they had better colors. So I got the red. See? I don't know what all the differences are for each of them, but I do know this one has like one less camera hole. So let's see. Look, I can't even open it. Talk about, oh, okay. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. Look at it. It's so nice and pretty. I'm so excited to use it, y'all. Alright. So here we go. I'm so scared. I don't want to break it. I heard these iPhones be breaking easy because, child, I be tearing up that little Android. So it has the little paper film on there. Take that off. Look at that. Yes, I love it. It's so pretty, y'all. If I can turn it on. Look, I don't even know how to turn it on. I think it must be. No, maybe this one. No, maybe. Oh, okay. One of those buttons just turned it on. There you go, Apple. Sorry, my Android family. I had to do it. I had to do it. Okay, this is actually a good size. I was afraid that it was going to be too small, but I actually like this size. This is a good size for me because my phone, the phone I have now, is a lot bigger than this. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. And I have little hands. As you can't really tell because I have my nails on, but I do. Look. Hi. Alright, y'all, so I got it on. Saying hello. What else is saying? Hello. Napoleon. I don't know what languages these are. But yeah, that's what it says. I don't know how to work it. Look. Child. Okay. So I guess I have to scroll up. There's English, country. I'm gonna have to have Eric or Jay to help me switch the phone. I'm gonna go back to that later, but yeah, there's that. Love how shiny it is. All right, so it came with this. What is this? I don't know what this is. No idea. There's an Apple sticker. Well, that's cool. Yeah. Some stuff. And it has a cord with no base. But luckily, my Android took this same Type-C base. So I do have a few of these laying around. But that's what it comes with. And that's it. Alright, so I also bought a phone case to go with it. I got this from Amazon. Let's open this up. So it has a little chain. I like cases with chain. It has like a butterfly on it. It has 2 butterflies actually. So, see that? The butterfly. And the little one. It has this little chain. And then this one. So if I'm recording or something, I can have it around my hand. And it's clear because I was like, what's the point of getting a colorful phone if you can't see it, right? Eric said I need to get an outer box, so I'll probably be ordering a different one just so I can protect the phone because like I said, I'm clumsy. So, put that in there. All right, there we go. Look at that, that's so cute. Love it. Okay, so my daughter, she has the iPhone Pro Max. So sorry, 13 Pro Max. So this is the one she has. It's light blue. The lighting on this phone is terrible, but like I said, it's my last time using it. But anywho, I'm just wanting to see the difference in size of the two. So that's the difference in size. So are just a lot bigger. And then that's how they look on the back.
Oh, you using a glass bag.
It's a glass bag?
Yeah, you have a glass bag. I have like a, I don't know.
I don't know how good that is that I have a glass bag.
Yeah, you're
break the front and the back. I have to be really careful because I'm really clumsy, y'all. So yes, I'm gonna play around with this phone, try to transfer everything. I have no idea how to do that, but I will. I'll figure it out, I guess. But I hope you like this unboxing video. And make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and all that other stuff. Go watch some of my other videos. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.